A truck driver was killed and one police constable injured when suspected Kuki militants fired at a convoy of vehicles in Manipur's Ukhrul district today. The incident occurred at TM Kasom village along Imphal Ukhrul Road around 11:20 a.m. A joint team of security forces including BSF, CRPF and police were escorting some 15 to 20 commercial trucks towards Ukhrul district when they came under attack near TM Kasom from suspected militants, killing a truck driver at the spot. Security forces also fired back, leading to a brief exchange of fire. The identity of the deceased is yet to be determined. The incident happened some 6 kilometers from Shangkai Kuki village, where protesters blocked roads, forcing security forces to fire several tear gas shells to disperse the agitators on Friday morning. Few women protesters were also reportedly injured when security forces tried to disperse the Bandh supporters. On the other hand, few vehicles were stranded at Yangangpokpi police station, but later about 20 vehicles were taken towards Ukhrul along with security convoy.